Kia ora koutou, Mr. Sully here. I'm going to be teaching you today how to play a song called Boondigga. It's from the Fat Freddy's Drop Boondigga, or Dr. Boondigga album that they released quite a few years ago, maybe in the sort of like late 2000s. The song's really simple. It does have some quite like complex layering in it, which is going to be quite fun to play with and have to experiment with. So what I'll do is I'll play through the song to start with, and then after that I'll show you how to do all the layers and things like that. Alright, so let's get started. Like the one before, till I don't wanna try no more. When it ain't working, tired and your feet are hurting from running all the time, tripping out of your mind. Too many times to notice how the lonely soul is. Love is all alive. It's waiting to tried it again, been watching the flame burn to the end, been wasting my bones, been taking my time, a bird from the ashes, burning to fly, home from the sea, a thief in the night, my Mr. Uppy just doing what's right, my brothers and me, my sisters and I, we're waiting to arrive. When it ain't working, tired and your feet are hurting from running all the time, tripping out of your mind. Too many times to notice how the lonely soul is. Love is all alive. It's waiting to Okay, cool. So let's start having a look at some of those chords that we been playing in that song, and also start having a look at how to do some of those melodies and solos as well. So the first chord here is a B minor 7, and you do that by barring the whole second fret. This second finger is on the second string, and this third finger is, that's the second string, third fret, sorry, and the third finger is on the fourth string on the fourth fret. And then we go from there to a F sharp minor 7, which is this middle finger just kind of hangs out. You're barring this whole first fret here, and you're only playing with one single finger on the fifth string on the fourth fret. Then we go all the way up here to a C major 7. So nothing on the bottom string, sorry, nothing on the first string. Then the second string up from the bottom, you are playing on fret number 8. Then these two fingers here are on the third and fourth strings, and they are on fret number 9. You're kind of muting this note here with your finger. This finger here kind of hangs down over top of it, and then your top root note is on the 8th as well, and that's a C major 7. Then it drops down to a G major 7. So the exact same shape, the major 7 shape here, but you're playing on the 3rd fret, so nothing on the bottom. This middle finger is on the 3rd fret, on the second string up from the bottom. Then on the 3rd and 4th string up from the bottom, you have these two fingers, and they're on the 4th fret. And then again, your root note is on the G, so your top finger, the pointing finger, is on the 3rd fret. And those are all the chords that you need for this song. So if I was going to play them in order, I'll just go do it slowly for you. Then we go up here. Cool. Then the C major 7. And then the G major 7. So yeah, some quite kind of tricky chords this time. Alright. So for some of the trumpet parts, you're doing sort of these kind of like, I'm not sure what they're called, like a triad chord, I guess. And it goes like this, basically. You're starting on fret 5, and you're skipping this note here. It's kind of muted by this finger, so you can't hear it. And then you've got this finger here on fret 7, and you're only really playing these two here, these two strings, and you're just going in between each of those little, each time they sing something, so cool. And then next up you have the other trumpet sort of or horn section melody that they do, which goes sort of like a, and that's being played up here on the 7th fret, on the 3rd string up from the bottom. And I'll just play it slowly for you so you can see what it looks like. Again. Next part goes like this. Alright, and that's kind of the two trumpet sections. Yeah, let's have a look at some of the other parts now as well.